In this evening's Ray of Hope feature, news that talks are underway to allow an overseas-based group called the Help Jamaica Medical Mission to do various surgeries on its yearly visits to Jamaica. Dr. David Garwood, a Jamaican doctor who teams up with the overseas mission to do local projects, says he's in discussion with a senior medical officer at the Sablamar General Hospital to make yearly missions a reality. But that aside, the Help Jamaica Medical Mission, which was recently in Jamaica, says it's been making some shocking observations while treating patients in Jamaica. TVJ's Kirk Wright has more.
An overseas medical team that's been offering health services mainly to people in rural Jamaica since 2010 says it's been making some stunning discoveries on its yearly trips to Jamaica. The head of the team, Dr. Robert Clark, says the doctors are shocked most times to see people, and in many instances the elderly, with high blood pressure and diabetes and still showing no signs of being ill.
That is that people are walking around with blood pressures like 200 plus, over 100 plus, which with no symptoms, and we are wondering, wait a minute, what's going on? No headache, no nothing, and they're walking around as if, it's perfectly okay. Until we really, physically examine them and do their vitals, then we realize, oh boy, this is emergency.
And that's not the team's only stunning finding.
Also, we find blood sugars through the roof, some that cannot be detected even on the glucometers, and that is heading towards a patient being comatose. We've also found patients with very low blood sugar.
Dr. David Garwood, a Savlamar-based medical practitioner who teams up with the overseas mission to do local projects, says findings like that are not unusual in Jamaica, but says it's still a huge cause for concern. The medical team has been serving people island-wide. Meanwhile, the chairman of the Negril Education Environmental Trust, Winston Wellington, who helped to bring the Help Jamaica Medical Mission to Jamaica, says the need for critical health care in Jamaica is even greater than it appears.
Of course, Negril Education Environmental Trust hosts many medical missions, but this is our focus one that we've been doing for many years. And we're very pleased to be here to be able to make a difference to the lives of the wonderful people that we have around here in our midst. Of course, Negril Education, not only are we in health, we're also in education, and much of our organization is right now a tablet in every child's hand and a computer in every classroom.
Dr. Garwood underscores the value of the team's yearly visit to Jamaica. I am Kirk Wright with a Ray of Hope.